All right, hey, what's up? My name's Andy. How you doing? Today we're doing asking some questions around the school, and let's get into it.
Billy on the street, yeah. Billy on the street. He's making dreams come true. Billy on the street.
Hey, sir. All right, for $1, can you name one superhero that does ice stuff? Come on, you can. It's only one. It's one superhero. You can do it. Come on. No, come on. Just one. It could be from anything. It could be literally from anything. For $1.
Superman.
Superman. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Get out of here. No. Superman. Hey. For $1. For $1. You don't know? Okay. You want to know? Oh, for $1. Hey, for $1. Name a superhero that does ice stuff.
That is Frozone.
Frozone. Awesome. Here's $1. Awesome. Have a good rest of your day. Let's go. Come on. Keep going. Hey, for $1. One of you guys. For $1. For $1. Name one type of cloud. Name one.
A cumulus cloud.
Awesome. Here's $1. All right, let's see here. Who's next? Hey, for $1. All right, for $1. Name one type of cloud.
Cloud?
Cloud, yeah, one type of cloud.
The Tony Cloud.
That's not a real cloud. What the heck is he talking about? Let's get out of here. I don't know what's going on there. Oh my gosh. Hey, for $1. For $1. Name one type of cloud.
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, never. No one knows any types of clouds are. Hey, for $1. Name somewhere where it snows.
Colorado.
Colorado, awesome. Here's $1. Oh, look at this guy. Hey, for $1. Name one place where it snows. Name a place where it snows. You can do it. I believe in you.
Canada.
Canada? I guess. All right, let's keep going. What? All right. Yeah. What is he? All right. Hey, for $1. For $1, name one superhero who does stuff with ice. It could be from anything, like DC, Marvel.
I don't know. Mr. Freeze.
Mr. Freeze, here you go.
There you go.
Awesome.
Oh, for $1, he actually playing, bro. You actually playing?
Hey, name.
Let me ask you a question.
Okay. Name one type of cloud. Oh my, these people don't know anything. Let's keep going. What is this? We're a trivia game show.
All right, what do you got?
All right, okay. For $1, name one type of cloud.
Cumulus.
Cumulus. All right, here's $1. Awesome. Okay, let's keep going. Hey, you got a question? Or wait, name one type of cloud.
A Stratus Cloud.
A stratus cloud?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I'm
Here's
positive.
$1. Okay. Hey, for $1. For $1, name one type of superhero who does stuff with snow and ice.
Frozone.
Frozone. All right, here you go. Come on. Good job. Now, the one important thing to know about snow is that snow is cold, and these next questions are going to get real cold. Let's keep going. Right on over to the band hall right now. These people should know things more than others about clouds and snow and those type of deals, and hopefully that remains true. We got some people over here that look pretty promising. Let's see. Let's do a quick 180. Hey, for $1, name one superhero who does stuff with snow.
Huh?
Name a superhero who does stuff with snow. For $1.
That does stuff with snow?
Yeah.
Frozone?
Frozone, good job. Here's $1. Awesome. Okay, keep going. Let's see. Hey, for $1, name one type of cloud.
Cumulus.
Cumulus, good job. Everyone knows that type of cloud.